7. Paragliding Air Law. First of all, avoid collision. Avoid collision is one of the principles in paragliding, emphasizing the importance of preventing collisions with other paragliders and prioritizing your own safety above all else. Number 1. Head on. When two pilots face each other, they both have to turn right. Number 2. Head on near the ridge. When two pilots face each other near the ridge, the pilot with ridge on his right has the right of way. Number 3. Converging. When two pilots have oblique convergence, the pilot on the right has the right of way. Number 4. THERMALINC. The pilot who wants to join a thermal must turn in the same direction as the first pilot. Number 5. Overtaking. When pilots intend to overtake, they should pass the leading pilot with good clearance. Number 6. Ridge soaring. In ridge soaring, if your speed is higher than the pilot in front, turn rather than overtake. Number 7. Landing. In landing, the lower pilot has priority.